Hello everyone, welcome. In today's session, we'll explore the VLOOKUP function. By the end of this video, you will have a solid understanding of how to use VLOOKUP to streamline your data analysis tasks. VLOOKUP stands for vertical lookup. It is a function used to search for a value in the leftmost column of a table and return a value from a column to the right. It is incredibly useful for tasks like matching and retrieving related information in large datasets. The syntax for VLOOKUP is as shown on the screen. Remember that to enter a function or formula, we use the equal to sign. So we'll say equal to VLOOKUP, and we have the lookup value, which is the value that you want to search for based on your data set. Next is the table array, which is the range of cells containing the data. The call index number is the column number on the table from which to retrieve the value. And range lookup is optional. It takes either of two values, true or false. The true is used for an approximate match, and the false is for an exact match. Let's take a look at a simple example using a table of employee data. In this table, we have employee IDs in column A, employee names in column B, and their corresponding departments in column C. Let us say that we want to look up the department for a specific employee ID. Let's say we want to find the department for employee ID 103. We use the equal to VLOOKUP. The first lookup value is 103, and our table array is from A2 to C6. The department column, the department is in the third column, so we say 3, and then we want an exact match, so we say false. Okay, this formula will return HR, as we can see here, as employee ID 103 corresponds to giraffe mango in the HR department. Let us consider applying VLOOKUP with approximate matches. For instance, if we have a table of sales ranges and we want to assign a commission rate based on sales amount as highlighted in columns I and J, we want to find the commission rate for a sales value of 4,500 naira. In that case, the formula will be equal to VLOOKUP, open our bracket. We're looking for sales value of 4,500. Our data goes from column I3 to J6, and we're looking for the commission rates, which is in column 2, so 2. And because we want an approximate match, as you can see, there's no exact 4,500. We want an approximate match, so we'll say true. The column will return 7, meaning that the commission rate for a sales amount of 4,500 naira falls into the 1,000 naira to 5,000 naira range and gives a 7% commission. Let us take a look at some common VLOOKUP errors and tips to deal with them. One common error you might encounter with VLOOKUP is the NA error. This happens when the function cannot find the lookup value in the leftmost column of the table array. We have the ref error. This typically occurs when the column index number is larger than the number of columns in the table array. To handle these, always double check that your table array and lookup value are correctly aligned. Also, always ensure that your table array is sorted when using approximate matching. And that's a wrap for today's tutorial. We've covered VLOOKUP's basics, including exact and approximate matching, along with some helpful tips for troubleshooting errors. I want you to practice this function with your own data and explore more advanced techniques. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you found this tutorial helpful.